Come down to the end. Just stick your toes in. There is little risk involved. Time to turn back around. But never take the plunge into the waves that are frozen. Turn and you never let your feet leave the comfort of solid ground. And all your days always scheduled. The calendar hasn't any room. And everything's always planned for. Can you ever react plans for June? There's a time and a place for everyone's face. It's time right now. I rake my mind and retrace back to every place I've forgotten.